Welcome! In front of me I have Willful SW025 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. To change the watch face on this watch, first we need to wake up the screen on it. To do it, press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, home screen basically. Once you see the screen, press, oh my bad, let's go back to the home screen. We need to basically keep pressing until we arrive on this home screen. Once you're on the home screen, press and hold on the touch sensitive button to open the watch face menu. And here we can scroll through the list of watch faces by tapping on the touch sensitive button. And once you find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, you need to press and hold the touch sensitive button to confirm. So let's say I want this one. I need to press and hold to change the watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, we can also do it through the phone application. So we can move this aside, bring the phone, open the Verifit Pro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see the home page once you open it. Once you do, tap on device icon, and here you should see your watch. Now tap on the, more, and then dial settings. And here we have the list of watch faces. You can scroll through it, find the watch face you like, select it, and then tap on confirm. And it should be applied on your watch. So let's go back to watch face. As you can see, it was applied. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the app, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.